And in this video, we're going to be speaking about the Dermaroller for beginners, so somebody that has never used any roller before. So if you're new to using either this device or a different Dermaroller, what you will have to do is, if you are on any active ingredients or active products, such as retinol, glycolic, salicylic, stop using them 3 days before use of your roller. And then if you are obviously going to resume using them, you must wait 3 days after. First of all, what you have to do is cleanse your skin and make sure that all your makeup is completely off, any products such as like SPF or serum that you had on throughout the day. So make sure that is fully removed. Then if you pick a product of your choice, may it be a hyaluronic or maybe a lightening serum, so you can use with the serum or without the serum. So do not worry that you don't have a serum, don't run out and panic buy. You can use this device with no product whatsoever. So you would begin by, as I mentioned, to cleanse your face, make sure everything is removed. If you are using a serum, you would then apply the serum onto your skin, and then you would start with this. If you don't have a serum, it's completely fine, as I mentioned. So you would take it out of the box, and when you're using it, you would place the roller onto the skin. You would go up and down about 10 to 15 times. You would then take it off the skin, place it back on the skin, and over and back 10 to 15 times. And again, place it off, place it on, up and down diagonally, and again off and the opposite direction diagonally. I usually start from like my jawline, so go across there, then kind of onto the side, and then over onto my cheek, and then up and down this way, and then into the middle. Everyone has their own kind of movements, their own routine of where you feel that you've covered your own skin. That's just what I find like works for me. But if you prefer starting off on your forehead or your chin or your nose, by all means, it's not wrong. Do what's right for you once you cover the full area. When you are doing the chin, it's the same, over and back and up and down. It might be a little bit difficult to go diagonally, but up and down and over and back is completely okay. So after you do the areas, you can do this like before anywhere else. I just like finishing it up on this area. So if you want to roller the lips, it is completely safe to do so. Even if you have fillers in your lips, it is completely okay to do as well. So when you're doing them, it's just over and back. You can go up and down as well. It will help to plump in your lips, get rid of your dead skin cells, so your lips are going to be like a lot more smoother, a lot more plump. And then it might stop a lot of people getting fillers in their lips. So that is a more natural way to get more plump lips if that's what you're interested in. You can also do your nose, so you would go down on the nose, you can go up and down, and then onto the surface you go up and back. Also, if you want to do across your eyebrows, it is completely safe to do so once you do not have any tattooed eyebrows. So it's really good for somebody that fills their eyebrows in all the time. We do have dead skin cells there, so it's good to get rid of them by using this device as well. I really like this device when I'm using a serum because it's a really good delivery system for whatever serum that you do use once it's not active. So what I mean by that is it pushes your serum a lot deeper down into the deeper layers of your skin. So it delivers that serum where we basically want the serum to go. Some serums, if you use it and it's not like a serum that is pushed down, it can sit on the surface of your skin, but we want to fix what's underneath and stimulate everything underneath naturally, so then the result shows on the surface of our skin as well. Also, if you are using the Dermaroller for the first time, or the image a.d.s, remember that it's not the face isn't the only area that you can use your roller. You can also roll your neck, your chest, anywhere that you have ingrown hairs. I find it's really good for if you suffer from any stretch marks or scarring on the areas. Also use the roller as well, because that will definitely help reduce any of the concerns that you may have. So don't make that mistake and love your results by using it on the face and still worrying about any body concerns. You can love your body and your face by just using this device. When you are finished using the roller, it's really important that you clean the roller properly. So if your roller comes with a box, so our image a.d.s comes in a plastic box, so it secures it. Don't just automatically put it in the box, put it on your shelf and wait till next time to use it. Boil your kettle, put it in the bowl of like your boiling water for a few hours. When that's done, just take it out. You don't need to dry the needles at all. We don't want to break them because they're so fine and thin. Place it back into the box. really gently. You don't want to like slam it into the box, because again you'll damage the needles. And then just pop your lid back on and it's ready to go for next time. So the benefits to start off with by using the roller will be increasing your collagen and your elastin, so it's going to stimulate what you have naturally. It's also going to help with fine lines and wrinkles, close your pores, help unblock your blocked pores. And also if you suffer from any scarring or stretch marks, the roller also helps with that as well. It's really good for somebody that literally just wants to get an overall rejuvenation, make their skin a lot brighter and take 10 years off themselves. This product is definitely a product for you to get. I hope you found this video useful if you are new to the Image a.d.s or any derma roller that you are using. If you have any questions, please let me know in the comments below, and please give a like on our video as well. Thank you.